Hi, my name is Joe Kowalski. I'm CEO and Chief Architect here at ServiceMonster, and I'd like to take just a second and thank you for scheduling a demo with our CRM team and give you some info which will help you for your meeting. We're super excited to get to know you and your business. For the last 18 years, ServiceMonster has helped thousands of service businesses with their scheduling, invoicing, and customer management needs, and we can't wait to see if we can help your business as well. Right now, our team is preparing for your demo. We'd like to give you the best possible chance for a great experience, so here's an outline of what you can expect. First, are you in the right place? ServiceMonster is designed to help service business owners and leaders with their scheduling, marketing, lead acquisition, invoicing, and client retention systems. That's what we focus on. That's how we help you build your business. Second, the 30-minute demo, we're going to ask you some questions about your business, making sure that we can develop a targeted demo to make best use of both of our time and identify those areas to see if we really can help. Next, if there's anyone in the organization that could benefit from the ServiceMonster demo, please invite them along. We'd love to have them as part of the call. And finally, if there's any info that you need before the demo, we've provided links in the email to our amazing help in onboarding, articles, and videos. We'd love for you to take a look at those and familiarize yourself with the system, but it's not required. Thank you again for giving us this opportunity to show you what we've built for you. I'm very confident in my team and how we help our clients, and we'll see you at the demo.